Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Please don't forget to follow, like and subscribe for more videos, for more lessons. So today we're going to do packaging. In packaging, we mostly use four terms, which are breadth, diameter, length and radius. A breadth is how wide something is from the word broad. And a diameter is a straight line passing through the center of a circle and touching the circle at both ends, thus dividing the circle into two equal halves. A diameter is a straight line passing through the center of a circle and touching the circle at both ends. So a length is the measurement between 2 points in a straight line, e.g. the length of a room. A radius is the distance from the center of the circle to any point of the circumference of the circle. So like guys, when packaging a rectangular shape, we are going to use the length and the breadth. When packaging a cylindrical shape, we are going to use a diameter and a length. Now that we know the basics, let's get into it. A box of 24 cans of Diet Coke is displayed. And we can see here guys, there are 4 cans of Coke widthwise and there are 6 cans of Coke lengthwise. So the radius of can of Diet Coke is 3.5 centimeters. The cans are packed as in the picture. Calculate the minimum length and the minimum width of the box to contain the 24 cans of Diet Coke. So guys, here I've been given the radius of a can. In order for us to be able to pack the Coke, we should have a diameter. A formula to calculate a diameter is radius plus radius. So 3 diameter is equals to radius plus radius. 3.5 centimeters plus 3.5 centimeters is equals to 7 centimeters. Now we know the diameter. Let's calculate the minimum width. Since there are 4 cans widthwise, so we'll use the diameter that we have and multiply it by 4 cans. It will give us our minimum width. So minimum width is equals to diameter multiplied by number of cans widthwise. So is equals to 7 centimeters multiplied by 4. That gives us 28 centimeters. So the minimum width of the box is 28 centimeters. Owing to minimum length. Minimum length is equals to diameter multiplied by number of cans lengthwise. So it's 7 centimeters multiplied by 6. That gives us 42 centimeters. So our minimum length is